Hello, this is Eric. I'm excited to introduce version 1.0 of graspable-math. I'm going to show you the two biggest interface improvements we made for this release. The first of them affects how actions are triggered. In the previous version, GM performed many actions immediately when a term was moved over their active area. So when I move a term over here, then GM commutes it right away. And I can do the same over here and this too, so it will first be commuted to the other side of the x and then will end up on the other side of the equation here. One problem with this is that I may want to move a term somewhere without triggering any actions on the way there. In the new system this is now possible because I now have to slow down my motion to trigger an action. This allows me to factor out or to rewrite this equation without commuting in between. This is visually much less distracting and it lets the user be more intentional in what they want to do. Let's look at the second big change, substitution. Up until now, substitution worked by dragging the line handle of an equation on top of the matching variables in a target expression. In the new system, you now drag the variable itself onto a matching variable in another derivation. We have also added a powerful direct substitution gesture that allows you to substitute variables with any term, even if they are not part of an equation. Let's look at an example where we are trying to find the intercept b given this point. So I can directly draw the x and y coordinate on top of the values in this equation and then solve for b. So now I substitute the b back in and I do have my equation now. Now just to give you a graphical sense of how this looks, I can link them into a GeoGebra component here. And the neat thing is that these values still keep connected. So when I scrub a value up there, all the derivation will update accordingly. As part of the new substitution system, we adjusted how you can select multiple terms in graspable-math. In the old system, you used to be able to drag a term far down to select additional terms. This is no longer the case in the new system. Instead, if you have a keyboard, you can press the spacebar to select additional terms. On touch devices, you can simply tap additional terms to add them to your current selection. So we are quite excited about this release. Please give it a try and let us know how you like it. I'll talk more about the other new features in this release in another video. Thank you for watching.